Experiencing problems with your Metro by T-Mobile SIM or eSIM? Let's troubleshoot the activation issues step by step. First, distinguish between a physical SIM and an eSIM. A SIM is a physical card that stores your subscriber data, while an eSIM is embedded in your device, allowing digital activation without a physical card. For activation, physical SIMs require inserting the card and following device prompts or using the Metro app. For eSIMs, use the Metro app to scan a QR code and confirm via SMS. Ensure your device is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi. Common fixes include restarting your device, toggling airplane mode to reset connections, and reseating the SIM if it's physical. These basic checks resolve most issues. Ensure your device supports eSIM, iOS 14 or higher, or Android 10 or higher. According to T-Mobile's Q2 2025 report, 90% of SIM-related issues are resolvable through self-service tools. So start with these checks before contacting customer service. If your SIM is activated but you have no data, the access point name settings are likely the problem. APN is the gateway that allows your device to connect to the internet through Metro by T-Mobile. Metro's default APN is fast.tmobile.com with no username or password needed for most plans. To configure APN, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced, and finally Access Point Names. Edit the existing APN or create a new one with the correct information. Ensure the APN matches your plan. If problems persist, check Metro's support tools for diagnostics or contact T-Mobile customer service, as Metro is fully integrated. Recent updates and FCC rules have improved transfers, but delays can occur during peak times. Proactive users should always verify their settings after activation to avoid issues.